meant to say, you meant to say, would just get thrown away. And we can talk ourselves into anything, talk ourselves into plenty of things, like staying up all night to hear the birds breathe out dead. Some unhealthy addictions can evolve from small mistakes. Well, I'm sure that most agree, the I team lost to the me, and we can talk ourselves into anything, talk ourselves into plenty of things. When it comes to Newton, it's still alive, and it's full of hostility. So take my tongue and break my jaw for the things that I don't believe. It's just nature, it's irreversible, so wax so surprised when you see impersonal human beings travel others to get to material things. These modern gods that we hold in high regards or just pop up as anything. For every species ever to evolve, it's only as strong as its surroundings. Somewhere between filthy and clean, my weak will lives where my conscience sleeps. Spending plenty of time with the passive parts of me, plenty of time with the passive parts of me that say closed mouth never gets fed, but I've seen open mouths about to start dead. And if they weren't